How to repair corrupted video files in Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can repair corrupted video files on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to repair corrupted video files on Android, maybe a video it got corrupted for some particular reason, first of all open up your Play Store or your App Store and simply search for corrupted video file repair. You'll find this application at the top, which is MP4 Fix Video Repair Tool, which I'm personally using in this video. So download this application, open it up, and it will automatically try to scan for the files or the videos that are corrupted. In my case, I don't have any corrupted videos. Or you can tap and select video, and then you can simply choose a video. If it says that's corrupted, then you should be able to go ahead and fix it. In my case, the file is not broken, so it is saying me file not broken. But if yours is broken, then you can just go ahead and try to fix it. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.